Want to answer customer questions instantly and save sales that were about to be lost? Adding a live chat widget is your solution. I'll show you how it's done. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Live chat turns hesitant browsers into confident buyers by providing immediate help. The simplest way is through the Shopify App Store. Search for live chat and install a popular app like Tidio, Gorgeous, or Amaze. After installation, the app will automatically add the chat widget to your storefront. You can then customize its look and set up automated greetings. You'll manage all conversations from the app's dashboard. A crucial pro tip: use automated messages to qualify visitors. A simple, "Hi, are you looking for sizing info?" can preemptively solve the most common question and start a conversation, dramatically increasing engagement and conversions. And just like that, you've just leveled up your customer service. Live chat is a direct line to your customers that builds trust and boosts sales. What's the most common question you get from customers before they buy? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to create a loyalty program in Shopify. Thanks for watching.